Hello there, everyone. In this video, I'll be introducing the Week 6 programs. So let's go ahead and dive in. Write a defining table in a program that helps the user choose the correct footwear for the day's weather. The following table shows the weather types the user may enter and what your program should output. Okay, so if the user types in hot, we'll say sandals. If the user types in rain, we'll say galoshes. If the user types in snow, we'll say boots. Okay, so let's split our screen here. Write a defining table. Let's start there. So I'm going to copy my template file and I'm going to save it as a new file. And I'm just going to name this week 6 assignment, week 6 assignment 1.html. Okay. This is going to be shoes for our title. And I'm going to rename this template function. Well, we'll get to that in a sec. Okay. So for our defining table, our input, for them to choose, we have to choose the footwear. So the users enter the type of weather. Okay, so we need a weather type. And then we output the shoe type. And then in here, we're going to need an if statement. So we'll say if weather, then shoe type. Or I could say footwear. Okay, and this is overly simplified. There's going to have to be else statements. Or if you do a switch statement, you'll have, regardless, you'll have multiple options for multiple outputs. Okay. And you could even, if you wanted to, in here say something like this. You could say, if weather is hot, whoops, then sandals. Else if galoshes, or sorry, else if rain, then galoshes. Else if snow, something like that, and kind of like walk through it. You can totally have something like that in your defining table, and that's great. Okay, for this introductory video, we'll just say if weather, then footwear. All right, now to get our program kind of started here, I'm going to click on this template function name that I have here, hit Control D to select both of them and say get footwear. That's what I'll name it. And let's see here. This will be weather and footwear for our header. This temp1, I'm going to hit Control D to select both of them and I'll say weather. And then on here, I'll just say get shoes. I don't want a temp paragraph, but I have my output div. I'm going to run this, make sure that it's looking all right. Okay, weather and footwear. I might want to add a label here to say, please enter the type of weather or something like that. Or I could add a placeholder as an attribute. If anyone wants to play around with that, you totally can. See what that does on your input. And then we would work on our JavaScript function. Okay, so something like this would be our input. And then we'd have our output down here. And then in here in the middle, we'd have to have our processing where we would have our if statement. Okay, and or switch statement, either one. Okay, but that's how I would start this assignment. All right, let's go on to the next one. Write a defining table in a program to quiz a child on simple arithmetic. The program should allow a child to enter two numbers and an arithmetic operator, and the child's answer to the problem. The program should compute the correct answer and compare it to the child's to output either good job or try again. Okay, so we're not just outputting the correct answer, we're going to output whether they answered it right or not. So I'm going to copy this template again and paste it and save it as week 6 assignment 2. And I'll say math quiz for our title, and we'll go ahead and make that our heading as well. Don't need a temp paragraph. Let's go ahead and look at our defining table. So the user can enter in, it looks like 3 values, right? 2 numbers and an arithmetic operator. So we'll say 1 number, 2nd number, arithmetic operator. I'm going to hit Control Shift up arrow to switch those lines because that's the order that they'll put them in. Our output is going to be, oh, they need their answer as well. Their answer. Our output is going to be either correct, good job, or incorrect, try again. Okay. And then our processing, let's see. It said the program should compute the correct answer. So we'll do that. Compute the correct answer and check to see if correct answer matches their answer. Now, this compute answer right here, we're going to have some logic there as well, depending on what operator they put in. Okay, so in your defining table, you might want to say, you know, if operator, if addition, if subtraction, use that to work with the first and second number, and then we'll output this. Okay. Template function, I'm going to hit Control D to select both of them, and I'll rename it to check answer. In here, we know we're going to need 4 inputs. Okay, so I just hit Control C and Control V. I hit Control C once and Control V 3 times to make myself a couple of inputs, which means I would also have to do the same thing up here to accept those inputs. Okay, I'm going to have to parse numbers and do the whole shebang, as we've done in previous weeks. Okay, as we've done in previous assignments, I could organize it like this. So it's very clear where everything's going to be. And so, yeah, that's how I would start this assignment. Again, I would just want to copy this file path and run it to make sure that I don't have any errors as I'm getting this started. And it looks like it's okay for now. All right. With that said, I'm going to go ahead and end this video, and we'll see more later on. Thanks for watching.